What is a fusing machine and how does it work? Fabric fusion involves bonding interlinings to increase strength and shape retention. During the fusing process, adhesive resin is applied to one side of the interlining, and then the fabrics are bonded by pressure and heat. The fusing machine applies the exact quantity of heat and pressure to melt the adhesive resin. The resin solidifies when it cools down, strengthening the bonding between the two parts. Why are fusing machines necessary? Fusing machines are capable of fusing textiles for mass production. The exact amount of heat and pressure required to fuse fabrics are very difficult to achieve manually, which could lead to injury and product defects. How do fabric fusing machines work? Technology has advanced with the passing of time, but three things remain the same. The temperature, pressure, and processing time have to be carefully monitored. The first step for fabric fusing is to spread the fabric on a flat surface. The fusing machine has to be preheated, taking into account that it doesn't overheat or it can cause shrinkage. Then, the adhesive resin is applied on the interlining and bonds the fabrics. The pressure and heat are adjusted to fuse the fabric. The interlining is fed to the fusing machine. Once the fabric goes through the fusing machine, the fabric has to be cooled to be solidified and strengthened. Reverse fusing, sandwich fusing, and double fusing are the major fusing types. What is strike back and strike through? Strike back is when the temperature and the pressure are not accurately controlled and the resin applied to the interlining can pass through the lower part of the fabric. Strike through is when the temperature and the pressure are not accurately controlled and the resin applied to the interlining can pass through the upper part of the fabric. What are the benefits of using a fabric fusing machine? Accurate control of pressure and heat. Machine preheating reduces fabric damage, increases production capacity, and decreases labor. Oshima has a range of fusing machines and an after-sale service. The fusing machine with conveyor belt is equipped with automatic control of temperature, cooling, and automatic overheating protection. Also, it is very easy to use. In conclusion, fusing machines reduces the risk of defects and increases the production efficiently.